Welcome to Career Choice 360, your ultimate career guide. Today we are going to review MDI Gurgaon, one of the top-notch business school of India. At Career Choice 360, we bring you comprehensive reviews of educational institutions, career advice and much more. Stay tuned to make the best career choices. Management Development Institute, popularly known as MDI Gurgaon, is one of the top-ranked business schools in India. Established in 1973, MDI Gurgaon has a rich legacy of producing industry leaders and innovators. MDI Gurgaon offers a range of management programs tailored to meet the needs of different career stages. There are 5 PGDM courses: PGDM Business Analytics, PGDM HR Management. The total fees for these 3 courses is 25 lakhs. PGDM International Business with 30 lakhs of total fees. And there is also a PGDM for online students. Fees for this is 9 lakhs. And duration for all these PGDM courses is 2 years. There are 3 executive PGDM programs. First, PGDM Business Management with a total 17 lakh fees. Second, PGDM Public Policy Management for 13 lakhs. PGDM Business Administration for 11 lakhs. Duration for these 3 courses is 18 months. And there is also a fellowship program in management, the FPM. These programs are designed to equip students with essential skills and knowledge to excel in the dynamic business environment. Looking at the admission process of MDI Gurgaon, getting into this college is highly competitive. Your CAT scores and a bachelor's degree with at least 50% of marks is the eligibility criteria for admission. And the selection process is based on first shortlisting on the basis of your entrance scores. Second, most important, the group discussion and personal interview rounds. Then your academic profile, and all these things are calculated for the selection process. Make sure to prepare thoroughly to stand out in each stage of the selection process. Coming to the application process, applying to MDI Gurgaon is straightforward. Firstly, you have to visit the official MDI Gurgaon website. Second, you have to register with your email and create a profile. Third, fill out the application form with the necessary details, upload required documents, pay the application fee online, submit the application and keep an eye on your email for further instructions. The application process for MDI Gurgaon generally starts from September and the final admissions are resulted by May. Remember to keep track of deadlines to ensure your application is considered. Coming to the most exciting part, the placements of this college. So placements at MDI Gurgaon are exceptional. The institute has a stellar record of attracting top recruiters. Firstly, talking about the highest package. The highest package for MDI Gurgaon internationally was 65.90 lakhs per annum. And the average package was 27.67 lakhs per annum. Coming to the top recruiters of this college, Amazon, Deloitte, Colgate, Coca-Cola, all these big companies are the top recruiters of MDI Gurgaon. MDI Gurgaon consistently ranks among the top business schools in India. According to NIRF Ranking 2023, it's 11th among management institutions in India. According to Business Today, it's ranked 6th for MBA programs. QS Global MBA Rankings featured it among the top 100 global schools. These rankings reflect MDI's commitment to academic excellence and industry relevance. So it's a wrap on our review of MDI Gurgaon. Comment down your queries and suggestions. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for your best career choices, because career clear to no fear.